Just got a new iPhone or Mac and you need your very first Apple ID. Let's set it up in under 1 minute. First, open settings on your iPhone, then tap sign in to your iPhone. Or on your Mac, just go to account.apple.com. And here, let's press on create your Apple account on the top left. Here, enter your first name, last name, and then your country and region, birthday, and your simple information like email, and make sure to set a strong password. This keeps your account secure along with the phone number. Next, Apple will send a verification code to your email. Open your inbox, copy the code, and paste it back in the settings to confirm. Once verified, your Apple ID is ready. You can download apps, use iCloud, FaceTime, and more, all synced across your devices. And that's it, you've officially joined the Apple ecosystem. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel.